The multifamily search continues. I'm back in Williamsport to come look at an on-market. I believe this is a 4-unit. It might be 5. I don't remember, but let's go take a look at this thing and see what we can find out. Here is the front of the building. So it looks like we got unit 1 right here. Windows look like they've been updated. And we got the basement access here. Apartment number 2 here. All right, so we got 6 meters, so I think this is actually a 6-unit. At least I hope it is. Side of the building here. Got a little bit of growth here in those gutters. And I don't think that's part of this, but we're gonna find out. Let's look at the other side of the building. So we know apartment 1 and 2 are over there. There's 4 back there. And I'm not sure where else the other 2 would be, but let's go start in unit 1. How are you, sir?
All right, what can I do for you?
I'm here to look at the building. Did they tell you I was coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Do you mind if I record? Okay, I appreciate it.
It's getting really tired having a bunch of people trooping in and out of my...
I don't blame you one bit there. So have you had a lot of traffic in here? Well, clearly it sounds like.
No, only about 10 or 15 people.
Okay, not too bad, but
Well,
more than you want to deal with when you're just trying to hang out at home, right?
Well, considering that makes it about 20 people in 10 years.
So this owner's owned it for quite a while?
Yeah, that's right on the listing. He bought it 10 years ago, 2015.
It sounds about right.
175K.
Nice little...
I don't blame him for trying to get out top of the market like this.
Right.
It's got to burst pretty quick and triple his money in 10 years. That's not bad.
It's a nice rate of return, isn't it?
But I've been here about 6 years.
Okay.
And I've known him for about 12 years before that. He was a few blocks away, but had to get a place on the first floor, so I moved over here.
Makes sense. Do you like it here?
Oh, I love it.
Good.
I've got, yeah. It's got its unique architecture quirks, especially this unit, because this is like 50-year-old 50s-sized closet.
Right.
Good thing, too, because it's just about the only one I got.
Right.
But, yeah, I think this section of the house was probably built, I don't know, in the 1800s.
Yeah.
You can see my door jambs and window jambs are like a foot deep. That's a stone wall like that deep.
Yeah, that thing's at least 2 foot thick.
But then a friend of mine that grew up down the street said it was turned into a country store. They built the big back end part to house stock for, like, I don't know, fixing carriages and buckets of barrels of kerosene.
Good gosh.
Mom used to send them here to the store to get kerosene for the lamps.
That's funny.
But, yeah, I don't know. To tell you the truth, I've never been in any other unit. I know the one that's right there.
That helps. Right? That helps.
Yeah, the landlord of my old building up on Church Street used to own this place, and he's the one that did the renovation. And he put in these. He every time he does one of these renovations, he puts in all drop ceilings. They're all like stuffed full of fiberglass insulation.
Right.
For noise and
right.
And that's he also puts in, nice tight triple pane or double pane windows and all that good stuff. So this place, even though it's was built quite some time ago, is nice and tight.
Very efficient, sounds like.
Yeah, and And I happen to look out because right underneath this floor in the basement is like a 300-gallon water heater tank that provides hot water for the whole building.
Okay.
And but it certainly takes the swing out of the temperatures in the wintertime.
Mm-hmm.
You know, between the mass of the rock walls and having that steady minor amount of heat coming up
Right.
through the floor. You know, I mean, even this is heat is electric baseboards. I think in all the buildings, that's usually what Harry Canode used to own this place.
Well, I'll get out of your hair, but I certainly appreciate you letting me through, and definitely the
problem.
information as well.
Yeah, well, I've been here going on 6 years, and I don't want to have to ever move.
Well, if I end up buying the place, I won't make you move.
Yeah, well, Mike likes me. I don't bug him, and I always mail my check 2 weeks early every month.
Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Well, you have a good one, sir.
Yeah, you too. I was surprised they didn't have the real estate agent coming with you today.
I am one as well.
Oh,
I'm an investor, but I'm also a realtor.
yeah, cool.
Yep. Have a good one, sir.
Yep.
You want me to close this big door?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, get a good truck as it needs.
Got it. Well, that was a wealth of information, and certainly good to hear. So now we're going to go check out Unit 2 and knock on the door, see if anybody's home. But tenants like that, I love when they're home because I get all of the insider information. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Chris Thompson with Remax. Did they tell you I was coming to look at the apartment today?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind if I record?
No.
Okay. I appreciate it. I always like to ask.
Okay.
Thank you so much. All right. Unit 2 inside.
Are you the guy who's supposed to be here today?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't look like a realtor, I know.
I know.
I don't try to look like one either.
Okay.
How are you doing today?
Okay.
Good.
I had to walk down to the laundromat today.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. With this new car here and
Good sized kitchen. Got a wall unit. Hi, kitty. What's up?
so ain't no supposed to be here after you?
I'm not sure. I scheduled this with them, I guess a day or so ago, for this time. So I'll be in and out of your hair about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And bathroom. Have you lived here long?
Oh, I've been here for years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that must be a good thing, right?
Yeah. I like it.
Well, good. Any issues with the building or with your unit?
Oh no. It's okay, yeah.
And bedroom. Good size. Oh, good.
See, I got this. See, was this what wanted to?
From 3, yeah, that's me.
Okay.
Yep, that's me.
Okay.
So yeah, no, shouldn't be anybody else to
Oh, good. Then I
come bug you.
They have a supper up here at the church up here, and I go every Thursday. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to make it,
Okay, well yeah, no,
so
I'm.
I get to go.
Yep, no, I'm all good here.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much for letting me through. I do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
All right, there's Unit 2. Now let's go find Unit 3. And I'm really intrigued of how we're going to find Unit 5 and 6. So we got 6 electric meters. I'm only seeing 4 units, but we'll just keep walking around until we find something. Hey, how you doing, bud? I'm Chris Thompson with Remax, the guy that said was coming today.
Really?
Yes.
Come on.
Appreciate it. Do you mind if I record?
Yes, I do, actually.
Fair enough. I will turn it off.
I guess what I would consider like my living closet space.
Okay, so it's good to record through here?
Yes.
Okay,
You
perfect.
Can turn back on your...
All right.
And you see it's a little bit more organized side.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't want my friend on it.
No worries at all, buddy.
Kitchen.
Yep.
It's a bathroom if you want to go with the bathroom.
Yep.
Let me actually knock on the door.
I appreciate that.
Yay.
Nice kitchen. Been updated recently. And bathroom is back here. And definitely some moisture. It's hard to see on this angle, but paint's chipping up a little bit. Real big shower. Tiles popping off. So I know I don't look like a realtor.
You actually look like somebody was coming in here to fix something. I'm like, I didn't know you was about to fix anything today.
Panel. Getting a little bit of draft through here. Nothing crazy though. And then there's just emergency exit or back exit.
The other tenants, the other person that lives upstairs, that's the way in his entrance. So we have two entrances.
Okay, so you got two entrances here and then the back staircase goes to the top unit?
Yep.
Okay. I'll check those out later. Is it good for me to go upstairs?
Yep.
Perfect. Perfect. How long you been here?
Ever since the middle of July.
Okay.
Literally the 15th of July.
Nice.
Pretty quiet here. We all get along.
That is the number one thing you want to hear, especially as a landlord. Like, yep, everybody gets along. Great. And bathroom number 2. Is that a washing machine?
I don't know. It might be. I really
Looks
don't
like it.
know.
Yeah, that's cool.
If so, I'm definitely going to try to use it.
Say, it looks like one. Little portable one. Hi, kitty. Hi, other kitty. I've got 3 barn cats.
Yeah, we got 3 in here. 2 of these are girls, and the one downstairs and my one is a boy.
Okay. Cool. I think I'm good, man.
You can go out to since you.
Say, if you don't mind if I go out the back, because I'm headed to Unit 4 next. Want me to turn this light off?
I don't think it was off.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Yep.
Save the money.
So they don't give that crap away for free, unfortunately.
Yep.
All right, so some touch-up paint, but nothing bad. Touch my head.
Yeah, that's definitely a tight spot.
Cool.
Yeah, this is one of the best. But I've never really only seen this apartment and the one that's across from me.
Okay.
Both of them are really nice.
Okay, cool. I appreciate your time.
No problem, man. Have a good one.
You do the same. Good. Thank you. All right, so that was Unit 3. Officially probably only a 2-bedroom, but they're calling it a 3. Let's see if Unit 4's home. Hey, how you doing, bud? I'm Chris Thompson with Remax to look at the apartment.
Huh?
I'm Chris Thompson with Remax. Did they tell you I was coming to look at the apartment today?
Yeah, 3.
Between 3 to 4:30.
What time is it?
3:30?
Can you give me a second?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Unit 4 was awesome. Got a wealth of information out of that guy. And now we're gonna go look at Unit 5. I think this is Unit 5. Oh, duh, right in front of me. Oh, yeah, there's the number 5 right in front of me. Doesn't seem like anybody's going to answer the door. So we're going to try a key. That key ain't going to work. That key ain't going to work. One more try. And that key doesn't work either. Hello? Oh, that's not it. All right, well, not getting into Unit 5. Let's try Unit 6. Let's see if the keys work. All right, bottom one's unlocked. Nothing there. One more try. Oh, I think that one works. Set this thing down. Well, the key works, but it's not moving at all. Well, it's spinning, but it's not turning, so I don't know how to get into either 5 or 6, so that sucks a lot. But maybe we'll come back another day. Here's the rest of the building here. So Unit 5 is up there, Unit 6 is up there, but we can't get into either one because the key doesn't work. And the other one, the key did work, but could not get it to open, almost like it was screwed shut from the inside.